Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add photos to Gumtree Photo Library. In order to add photos on Gumtree Photo Library, you can simply go ahead and post an ad, and you can also add photos while posting it. So in order to do that, first of all, open the Gumtree application from your app drawer and make sure that you're signed into your account. From the main home page, tap on Post an Ad at the bottom of the screen. Now, tap on Create a new ad and go ahead and tap on the Photos option at the top left. You can now go ahead and add photos by taking a picture from your camera by choosing the Take Photo option and take a picture of the product you are trying to sell. You can also go ahead and choose an item from your phone's library. Simply tap on Choose from Library option and select the image of the product you are trying to post an ad for. Once you've done that, tap on Done at the top right. And you can also add multiple photos on the page. Upload up to 10 photos since ad with pictures get more replies and views. Once you are done with the photo upload, tap on Done at the top right and go ahead and fill in the rest of the information for your ad, such as the title, description, category, prices, and much more. And finally, tap on Post Ad at the bottom right corner. So that is how you will be able to add photo on Gumtree Photo Library. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.